What if I told you that one simple food before bed could help you sleep better, recover faster, and even support fat loss while you sleep?
Most people eat the wrong foods at night and wake up tired, hungry, and low on energy.
But today, I'll show you some of the best foods to eat before bed for a healthier body and better sleep.
Late-night snacks are one of the biggest mistakes people make. Chips, cookies, ice cream, and sugary drinks cause blood sugar spikes that can disrupt sleep and increase fat storage. That's why many people wake up feeling exhausted, even after spending 8 hours in bed.
The good news? Choosing the right bedtime foods can make a huge difference. Walnuts contain healthy fats, magnesium, and melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. Just a small handful before bed may help your body relax and prepare for a deeper night's sleep. Plus, walnuts support brain health and heart health.
Next up, blueberries. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support recovery. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. Omega-3s support brain function, while protein helps your muscles recover while you sleep.
A small serving at dinner can keep you satisfied and support overall health. This is delicious.
I agree. Bananas are another great bedtime snack.
They contain potassium and magnesium, minerals that help relax muscles and reduce nighttime cramps. The natural carbohydrates in bananas may also help your body produce sleep-promoting hormones.
Greek yogurt is loaded with protein. Protein helps your body repair and recover overnight. It's also filling, which means you're less likely to wake up hungry in the middle of the night.
For extra benefits, add a few blueberries on top.
Remember, it's not just about what you eat before bed. It's also about what you avoid.
Stay away from sugary snacks, energy drinks, and heavy fast food late at night.
Your body does most of its recovery while you sleep. So give it the right fuel.
Tonight, try one of these healthy bedtime foods and see how you feel tomorrow morning. Which food would you eat before bed? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more daily health tips.